all of you who this is me clipping the cat's nails. That's her. Ow! She didn't get me. There you go. You got her. You got her, Michael. Keep her head there. Keep her head there. She can't go anywhere.
Yeah, you're going to break her leg off. We need some kind of wrapping or something that it works with Eddie, but it just doesn't work with her. Now I need to get the other paw there, so we'll do this one, and it will. You can switch it off. See how sharp? See how sharp these claws are? Miss Sasha, I cannot in any kind of conscience let you run around with claws like this. And you know it too. That's why you fighting this. Alright, let's get her other side. I gotta get her. I only got like maybe 2, maybe 3. Flip her ear over. Okay. Oh, no. That mouth open head is. I can't. It hurts. Okay. Okay, let's get. Oh, Lordy, I just felt her dew claw. Yeah, it's gonna need to be. And this doesn't hurt her, it's just that she turns into the exorcist. To the evil one. I just want to get the claw. Done. No, did that hurt you? Did that hurt you? That no hurt you.
Come closer. This is her after she gets her nails clipped. Look at her. Sasha. Calm. All right, go ahead and put her down and we'll treat her. And that is Sasha getting her front claws trimmed. Bye.